Gold has been a symbol of wealth for thousands of years. But why do savvy investors still turn to it today to protect their savings? Gold isn't just shiny. It has stood the test of time as a reliable store of wealth. From periods of high inflation in the 1970s to the 2008 financial crisis, gold's value generally held steady or even grew. Unlike paper money, which can lose purchasing power due to government policies or dollar devaluation, gold offers a tangible asset that historically resists economic uncertainty. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains how this stability has made gold a trusted choice for generations, helping investors safeguard their wealth even when markets get turbulent. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and Digital Dollar Report, all designed to give you a fuller understanding of how precious metals can fit into your retirement strategy. I've linked this guide in the description. If you want to see why gold continues to be a top choice for protecting wealth across generations, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's completely free, practical, and packed with insights to help you invest with confidence. You will find the link in the description.